Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make elephant toothpaste using materials you can find at home. It's a really easy project for things like your school's science fair and it doesn't make much of a mess. Let's get started. The materials you'll need are food coloring of your choice, some hydrogen peroxide, an empty disposable bottle, some liquid soap, a cup of warm water, and yeast. Add about half a cup of hydrogen peroxide to an empty disposable cup. Get a funnel and screw it on the top of the plastic bottle, then add the hydrogen peroxide into it. The funnel is just to help you pour it in. Add a tiny bit of food coloring, enough to change the color. Add 1 tablespoon of the soap. Try to be more careful and clean than I was. Add 3 tablespoons of warm water. I learned my lesson and used a funnel. Add a tablespoon of yeast. And start shaking. After a while, foam will start to overflow. Be patient, it could take time. Alright guys, I hope I helped you show off an amazing science fair project. Click on our logo on the right to subscribe, and if you're interested in more of our videos, there's a button on the left that will take you to one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.